Hey everyone, welcome to another edition of Tom's Toolbox with your host, Tom Francione. Today we're going to do things a little bit different. I'm going to paint a picture of the old way of patching potholes and a picture of the new way on how to save up to 50% on your patching budget by using Easy Street Asphalt. Imagine where you go and you pick up regular cutback cold mix from the asphalt plant. You leave it at your job site or your yard. You get called out in the middle of the night or in the middle of the day for some potholes that are bothering some motorists. You fill the pothole. 2 weeks later, you come back, you get the same complaint again as the regular cutback cold mix has not worked. So you decide to go back to the asphalt plant and pick up some hot mix. You only really need 1 ton of hot mix to finish this application. You get to the hot plant, you got 10 to 15 trucks in front of you. Oh no, you sit there, you wait. You get your 1 ton of hot mix, which actually turns out to be 2 because you need the extra ton to keep the 1 ton hot. You go fill the pothole, you come back, you drop off the other ton. Let's call it a day. Now, let's take a look at how to save up to 50% of your budget by using Easy Street Asphalt. Imagine you have a pile of Easy Street Asphalt in your yard, ready to go. You get that same phone call and it's raining out, day or night. You don't have to worry about that because Easy Street Asphalt works in water. You bring Easy Street Asphalt to the pothole, you fill it using proper installation techniques, 2-inch lifts, crown above the surface, and you have yourself a repair that will remain there until the road needs to be repaved again, a permanent repair. You can also do the same with our 50-pound bags and our 1-ton bulk sacks. Easy Street Asphalt, always workable, always stays in a hole, always saves money. Showing potholes who's boss.